So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create tab group on Zoho CRM. So for that, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select this website, log into your account right here and then select this profile picture icon and now choose this Access Zoho CRM. Select this settings icon and select modules and fields. Now go in tab groups and select this new tab group button. Now just enter your tab group name right here and then you can also choose many tabs as much as you want from this list. And after selecting your tabs, which can be leads, contacts, accounts, etc. After choosing your tabs and entering your tab group name, you just need to click on the save button. And after that, you have successfully created your tab group on Zoho CRM. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.